Click on the plus icon at the top right of the screen. Then choose the payment link option below it. On this page, click on the product or subscription button and choose the second option where the customer choose what to pay option. After that, give a title and description for what you did about your donations. You may also click on the upload button right here to add the logo or any image. And you may also change the currencies to your liking and set up a suggestion for donation by doing a check mark on this. So it's like an amount that you really appreciated, while also setting a limit right here, where you can decide about the minimum or maximum amount of donations. You may also choose the advanced option, where you can do many things about your donation link, and I just recommend for you to change the payment action from pay to donate one. And then you are good to go. You may do a preview of your donation link at the payment page and also after payment page. Then, after you are good with everything, click on the create link button at the top right of the screen. Right here is your donation link, and you can copy it by clicking on this page icon besides it. Here is the example of my donation link when somebody opened it. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.